I thought I'd turn this on and take a look at the water in the where it used to be squatters area. The wind is really getting strong. Really getting strong. See what it's like up here. Okay, here's the squatters area. All underwater. And here is the canto. Always floods here. Always. My ass is getting wet. I think there is a leak in the biome. Hi friends. How's business in the rain? Slow? It's okay?
Yes.
I'm soaking wet.
In silver. How about?
What's that?
Silver business.
I didn't come to buy anything. I'm just walking around and videoing the flood.
Yeah.
Coming to my favorite store to see how everyone is doing.
Yeah, this is your favorite store.
Oh, of course.
Your wife is buying also here.
Yes, all the time.
All
Yes.
the time, yeah.
Yeah, because we have the sorry there in silver. Okay, I just walking around and videoing the flood. Good to see you all. I'm not buying today, sorry.
It's okay.
No money.
Yeah, you have a lot of money.
That's because I'm married. My wife has all the money.
Yeah, because your wife is a businessman.
And look at this. Yes. Okay. Have a good day. See you later. All right, so that's the Canto and the Easy 28 store. That's where Lani buys a lot of her stock for the store. That's where we buy our cigarettes. All right, you've seen the flood. This is what happens when you walk through deep water wearing only slippers, chinelas. If you're not careful and you walk too fast, you get all wet on your A. Here's the newest member of the family. It's Ashley the Wonder Dog. Ashley! Ashley! Puppy! Come here. Come over here, huh?
Doon kan masulungan naman nasa din na. Hindi na natin yan masulod. Nagay!
And there's Lani laying on Kama. And mga bata are going to go swimming. Lalang is hiding.
Nangihiman na siya.
So it's Sunday, Hangover Sunday. Even Parley has a hangover. Hey. I'm getting water on my feet. Oh, even Captain America gets to go swimming today. Oh, crazy people are
My
here.
friend! Good afternoon!
Crazy people are here. The crazy people. There will be swimming and eating and drinking and laundry. Parley is assisting in store, tindahan.
Kabo?
John has found Ashley the Wonder Dog.
Wow, Wonder Dog, Ashley.
Oh,
Ganda ng pangalan Ashley Ashley?
Ashley
My friend,
with her pink nose.
dadaling ko to sa bahay namin.
Huh?
English, translate.
Kung sa pindali na